What happens to your body when you drink moringa every day? Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is a superfood packed with nutrients and medicinal properties. Its leaves, seeds, pods, and roots have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. When consumed daily as tea, powder, or added to meals, moringa can bring remarkable health benefits. Here's what happens to your body when you drink moringa every day. 1. Boosts energy levels. Moringa is rich in iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, all of which are essential for energy production. Drinking moringa daily can help combat fatigue, improve stamina, and keep you energized throughout the day. 2. Enhances immune function. Packed with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, moringa strengthens the immune system. Regular consumption helps your body fight infections, reduce inflammation, and recover faster from illnesses. 3. Supports healthy digestion. Moringa has natural anti-inflammatory properties and is high in fiber, making it excellent for digestive health. It can alleviate constipation, improve gut health, and reduce symptoms of bloating and indigestion. 4. Improves skin health. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and E, moringa protects the skin from oxidative stress and slows down signs of aging. Drinking moringa can also help combat acne, promote collagen production, and maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Chlorogenic acid and isothiocyanates found in moringa help regulate blood sugar levels. Daily consumption can be beneficial for managing diabetes or reducing the risk of developing it. Studies suggest moringa may also improve insulin sensitivity. 6. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Moringa's anti-inflammatory compounds, such as quercetin and camphorol, help reduce inflammation in the body, alleviating pain and discomfort. 7. Supports weight loss. Moringa is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a great addition to a weight loss regimen. It boosts metabolism, promotes fat breakdown, and reduces cravings by providing essential nutrients that keep you feeling full and satisfied. 8. Lowers cholesterol. Research shows that moringa can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides while boosting good cholesterol, HDL. This contributes to improved heart health and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. 9. Promotes brain health. The antioxidants and neuroprotective properties of moringa can improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Regular consumption may enhance memory, focus, and overall brain performance.
10. Strengthens bones.
Moringa is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin K, all essential for bone health. Drinking moringa regularly can help strengthen bones, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and support healthy bone density. 11. Improves liver health. Moringa's detoxifying properties protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. It enhances liver function, aids in detoxification, and supports overall metabolic processes. 12. Balances hormones. Moringa contains phytoestrogens and other compounds that help balance hormones, particularly in women. It may alleviate symptoms of PMS and menopause, improve fertility, and regulate menstrual cycles. 13. Enhances eye health. Thanks to its high levels of beta-carotene, moringa supports eye health and prevents vision-related issues like macular degeneration and cataracts. Drinking moringa every day can protect your eyes and improve overall vision. How to incorporate moringa into your daily routine. Moringa is versatile and can be consumed in various forms. Moringa tea, steep dried moringa leaves in hot water for a nutrient-rich drink. Smoothies. Add moringa powder to your favorite fruit or green smoothies. Soups and curries. Sprinkle moringa powder into soups or stews for a nutrient boost. Capsules. If you prefer, take moringa supplements as per the recommended dosage. While moringa offers numerous health benefits, moderation is key. Overconsumption can lead to digestive upset, and certain parts of the plant, like the roots, contain compounds that should be consumed with caution. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare provider before using Moringa. Drinking Moringa every day can have transformative effects on your health, from boosting energy and immunity to supporting heart and brain health. Incorporating this nutrient-dense superfood into your routine is a simple and natural way to enhance overall well-being.